What if I told you that a man from Kerala discovered calculus 200 years before Newton? His name, Sangamagrama Madhavan, and you probably haven't heard of him until now. Madhavan lived over 600 years ago in a small town called Sangamagrama, near today's Irinjalakuda in Kerala. While Europe was just starting to recover from hard times, Madhavan was creating new ideas in math that would change the world. In the quiet lamplit halls of medieval Kerala, a remarkable mind was at work, Madhavan, a scholar whose contributions would echo through the centuries. He achieved something truly extraordinary, something that no one else in the world had managed to do before him. With nothing but palm leaf manuscripts and a sharp intellect, Madhavan ventured into the mysteries of mathematics and made discoveries that would change the course of history. Madhavan was the first to express the value of pi using an infinite series, an idea that was revolutionary for its time. He wrote, "Pi divided by 4 equals 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/5 minus 1/7, and so on, continuing this pattern endlessly." This elegant formula, which we now call the Gregory-Leibniz series, was actually discovered by Madhavan centuries before it appeared in European mathematics. While the world would later credit Gregory and Leibniz for this series, it was Madhavan in Kerala who first unlocked its secrets. But his genius didn't stop there. He was driven by an insatiable curiosity to push the boundaries of what was known. Using only his mind and simple tools, Madhavan calculated the value of pi to an astonishing 11 decimal places. Imagine achieving such precision without the aid of modern calculators or computers, just pure mathematical insight and perseverance. Madhavan's work didn't end with pi. He also derived infinite series for sine, cosine, and arctangent, mathematical concepts that are now at the very heart of calculus and trigonometry. His groundbreaking discoveries laid the foundation for much of the mathematics we use today, and his legacy continues to inspire mathematicians around the world. Madhavan wasn't alone in his groundbreaking work. He established what became known as the Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics, a vibrant center of learning in southern India. Here, brilliant minds like Nilakantha Somayaji and Jyestadeva gathered to refine and expand upon Madhavan's revolutionary ideas. Together, they explored advanced concepts such as infinite series, limits, and convergence, tools that would later become fundamental to calculus. Remarkably, these Indian scholars developed these sophisticated mathematical techniques centuries before similar discoveries emerged in Europe, showcasing Kerala's extraordinary intellectual legacy. So, why didn't the world know about him? The answer lies in the language and the times. Much of Madhavan's groundbreaking work was written in Sanskrit and Malayalam, languages that were not widely understood outside Kerala. During the colonial era, European scholars often overlooked or dismissed local knowledge, focusing instead on texts in Latin, Greek, or their own languages. As a result, Madhavan's remarkable contributions remained hidden for centuries. It was only in the 19th century that British researchers, while studying old manuscripts, finally rediscovered Madhavan's extraordinary legacy and began to appreciate his genius. Madhavan's ideas predated Newton's calculus by centuries. He is proof that India's scientific heritage is deeper than we're ever taught. Let's give this forgotten genius the credit he deserves.